Zen. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? Benji, you're so fat. You're so fat. Poor Zen. How many times do I have to tell you no? Oh, shit. What are you doing, huh? You smelling the camera? What are you doing? Zen. I always have to tell you now. What? You're so close. Back up. Chocolate vanilla swirl. This one is chocolate and vanilla ice cream. Hey, what are you chewing that for? What's your problem, yo? Damn. Jeez Louise. Hey. Back up. Raise your both. Back up. Thanks. Here you go. Smelling the camera. Listen, I understand you want some water. Well, get up, because I already drank 2 quarters. Cute. What are you doing? Huh? Here's what your weirdos in. Stop it, Benji. No. But they still don't listen. I'm trying to train them. They're like, not. Stop it, Benji. No. No, Benji. No. You hear me? Bad boy. No. You can't do it. You can stay right there if you want. Can't go further. Okay, you can hide. I don't care. Still gonna see you. What's that? You just keep eating, don't you?